Yes, welcome into IATD TV, and today we've got an absolute treat for you here. We have a dealer's display of Maximum Gold. We're going to crack in and see what the new rarity looks like in the flesh and in person and on camera for you guys at home or on the go too. So, how do we crack into this as easy as possible? Just like that, it seems. Sorry for knocking the camera there, viewers. There we go. We'll start with our first Maximum Gold. Each pack has 4, or each box has 4, and each pack has 2 of the new rarity. Get those out without damaging the edges. Would be ideal. And our final pack is just there. So we'll start with these 4 and we'll see where we go from here. We start off with Drowning Mirror Force, Flame Buffalo, Elemental Hero Stratos is our first gold rare. And the camera, I hope that shows it really nicely because it looks fantastic. Gold series looks genuinely gilded now. We start with the Stratos there. Machine dupe. Ooh, super poly. That's nice. There's not too many cards I'm not looking for in this set, so pretty much all of these nice pulls go down good with me. And the Dark Lord. And the Dark Lord. And our next pack, we start off with a Noble Knight, Transcode Talker, Condemned Witch, and Kagari as our first gold rare. And you know what? I missed this in the first bit. We pulled an Impermanence! There's a Freezey Wheezey treat, and somehow I managed just to skip past that. There's an Infinite Impermanence, so we start off with our second pack with possibly the Freezey Wheeziest treat out of the set. So, and there is our lovely Kagari to go with it. Lady Debug, set rotation. Could always do with more copies of set rotation. It's not a bad card to have on hand. And we'll get a sleeve on this Impermanence. And then our third pack from what's already been an absolutely sensational pack. We have a Dragon's Mirror, Harpy's Pet Dragon XE's thing, and then we got Laundry and Kitchen Dragon Maid as our 2 gold rares for the pack. Probably the cards I'm looking for the least out of the set, but still not bad to have them nonetheless. And then we've got Mistaken Arrest, Boral Sword Dragon in its new artwork, looking absolutely fantastic. That's a very nice pull there too. Ooh, Nibiru! There's our next gold rare. This is some good packs. This was one hell of a box. We have Nibiru, Hey Trunade, and Link Karibo. We'll get a sleeve for that Nibiru. And for that Boral Sword. And the astute-eyed amongst you will know these are the wrong size sleeves, but they will do for this purpose. Let's go into our second box of Maximum Gold. And we've started really well with the Impermanence, Nibiru, Boral Sword, Super Poly. If we can get Red Eyes, Blue Eyes, Dark Magician, and Harpy's Feather Duster, I would be exceedingly happy. And our first couple of packs there. Second. And there we go for our final pack of the box, and first one to start ice off with an open. Mistaken Arrest. Miscellaneousaurus. Ooh! We did it again! We only bloody did it again! The treats go from Freezey to Wheezy to Freezey Wheezy. There we go, an impermanence. Our second. 6 packs? 5 packs? Damn. And a Miscellaneousaurus, which looks great. A deserved holo printing. It's a busted card and probably deserves to be banned, but in the event that it's not, it might as well have a sick looking gold rare. Oh, nice. Chaos Dragon Levianeer. I want one of these in gold rare. And Zodiac Chaka 9. Fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. And I'll get a sleeve on that Levianeer. And then we go into our third pack from, again, a fantastic box. Parlor Dragon Maid. Barrier Statue. Rusty Bar Dish is our second and final one for the pack. And some Mecha Phantom Beast there to close it up. And next up, and finally for the Solemn Judgment, very nice, looking good in gold rare. Anti-Magic Arrows is our final gold rare for the pack. And then we've got 3 more to go. 2 Infinite Impermanents, which is not bad going whatsoever. We'll get a knife just to get rid of that seal. And there's some more. Let's start with this one. Let's see what we have in store for us. Ooh, nice. Ghost Reaper and Winter Cherries is our first gold rare. But more importantly, we got Red Eyes Black Dragon. Fantastic. Ooh, does it look good. If we could get Blue Eyes as well, that would be ever sweet. And our next pack. Ooh, another Chaos Dragon Levianeer. And Eldlick, the Golden Lord. We are just raining in those pull cards, those chase cards. We got 2 impermanents, 1 Eldlick, the Golden Lord. We are doing pretty well. And he does look good in gold rare, not gonna lie. And next pack, penultimate for the box. Tour Guide from the Underworld in its original artwork is our first gold rare. Ooh, totally awesome. Not a bad card. Rota for our final gold rare. I'm thoroughly enjoying these packs. These are absolutely fantastic. Konami, you're probably not listening, but you have hit it out of the park. Ooh, Gaia the Dragon Champion in gold rare. This looked good. Foolish Burial, because we need another reprint. Infernity Mirage, probably the card I'm least happy about pulling so far. But, not too many complaints when we got 2 Impermanents and Eldlick the Golden Lord. We are doing pretty well. I think Gaia deserves a sleeve. Let's crack into our penultimate box of what has been a fantastic opening so far. Freezey Wheezey treats aplenty. We can see Blue Eyes, Harpy's Feather Duster. These would be what I'm looking for. Let's start us off and see what we can find. Another tour guide. And another rotor. Exactly the same as the last pack. Next up, another Gaia. Cosmo Town. 2 packs left. We've got the Buster Blade Diffusion. Fantastical Dragon Phantasme. And the alternate artwork for Tour Guide of the Underworld. Very nice. And our final pack in our penultimate box. Nightbeam. Oh, there we go. We wanted Harpy's Feather Duster. We asked and we did receive. I have this in Secret Rare from the Yugi's World collection, but I really wanted to get this in Gold Rare, so very happy to pull it. And another Laundry Dragon Maid is our final Gold Rare. And then we will move into our last box. I have seriously enjoyed opening this up. I'll get my knife for the seal. There we go. Just try and get them out safely for our final 4 packs of one of my favourite openings we have ever done, and one of the best sets I think ever. Oh, Monster Reborn, very nice. Cyber Dragon Infinity in Gold Rare, even better. And again, another 2 that I'm looking for, so we're going to sleeve those bad boys up right away. And our final 3 packs. What do Fate and Konami have in store for us with 3 packs to go? Oh, there we go! Blue Eyes, White Dragon, in Gold Rare, looking fresh, getting a sleeve. And we finish off with another Anti-Magic Arrows. Absolutely a-okay with that. We got the Blue Eyes, we got the Red Eyes, we got the Harpy's Feather Duster, we got a Golden Lord, we got 2 Imperms. Foolish Burial, Rank Up Magic, the 7th one. Oh, Herald of the Arclight, I missed that second up. And our last pack. I mean, I can't ask for any more than I've got, to be honest, so... Artifact Lancia is our first Gold Rare. And another Rank Up Magic. So, I mean, just to review the highlights amongst them for me. Extend. We've got a Boral Sword, 2 Imperm, Nibiru, Red Eyes, Blue Eyes, Levianeer, Infinity, Reborn, Golden Lord, Feather Duster, and Gaia the Dragon Champion, in and amongst all this other goodness. Let me know down in the comments what you thought of this opening. Was it as Freezey Wheezy for you as it was for me? What cards are you looking forward out of the set to? Leave us a like, a comment, a subscribe. That would really help the channel. Share with your friends if you can. And without any further ado, this is IATD TV signing off. Peace.